Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a Dutch girl living in Sweden, and today we are doing a nice cooking video. I'm making one of my absolute favorite budget-friendly meals for batch cooking, a super comforting tomato and chicken mince stew with butter beans and rice. It's incredibly cheap, packed with protein and perfect for the week ahead. I'm using basmati rice. I washed it, put it in, and I'm also using a bay leaf and a clove. This usually cooks for about 20 minutes, then it turns itself off. Then I fluff up the rice a little bit and leave it to sit there with the lid on for about 10 more minutes. Quick intermission. Did you know I have a monthly postcard club? If you join, I'll mail you one of my artsy postcards every single month. I love drawing and this is my way of sharing it with the world. Anyone can join. Just head over to my Buy Me a Coffee page or scan the QR code right here on the screen. Plus, there's also a shop there with my greeting cards for sale as well. Back to the food.